High-frequency trading (HFT) is a trading strategy that uses sophisticated algorithms and powerful computer systems to execute a large number of trades in a fraction of a second. High-frequency trading (HFT) has significantly impacted financial markets by increasing liquidity and lowering trading costs, but has also raised concerns about market stability and fairness. High-frequency trading (HFT) in the USA is regulated by a comprehensive framework designed to ensure fair and transparent markets. The regulatory framework includes oversight by regulatory bodies such as the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC). These agencies enforce regulations such as the Market Access Rule, which requires risk controls for HFT systems, and the regulation NMS, which aims to promote fair competition and transparency in the equities markets. Additionally, HFT firms are subject to registration and reporting requirements to monitor their activities and safeguard market integrity. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) plays a crucial role in regulating high-frequency trading (HFT) by enforcing rules and monitoring market activities to ensure fairness, transparency, and integrity. High-frequency trading is governed by key regulations and rules such as market manipulation laws, reporting requirements, and risk management standards. High-frequency trading (HFT) regulations offer greater market stability and reduced volatility, leading to increased investor confidence. However, they may also bring about potential barriers to market entry for smaller firms and hinder market liquidity. High-frequency trading (HFT) poses significant challenges in terms of regulation and maintaining market integrity. The speed and volume of HFT transactions make it difficult for regulators to monitor and enforce compliance with market regulations. Additionally, the use of complex algorithms and rapid trading strategies can lead to market instability and potential disruptions. The regulatory framework for HFT in the USA plays a crucial role in ensuring fair and orderly markets by establishing rules and standards for high-frequency trading.